Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Smart Power Liftgate in the all-new 2023 Kia Sportage. I have in front of me here an X-Line Limited all-wheel drive in Shadow Matte Gray. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, we're going to head over to the 12.3-inch infotainment screen. We're going to either hit Setup down here when your media controls are showing, or from the home screen, we can swipe to the left and select Setup in the bottom corner there. Then we're going to go into Vehicle. And then we're going to swipe up on the left side and we're going to go into Door. And now we're going to see here in the middle, it has the option to turn the power lift gate on. So I'm going to go ahead and check mark that on. And then you do have the option of changing the opening speed. Right now this is set to fast, and by no means is it going to like go crazy fast. It's just a bit faster than what the normal is, which is kind of a good pace anyway. But if it happens to go too fast for you, you can go ahead and switch it to normal. And then now those options in the middle are on the left here. So you can actually go to the opening height. Right now it's set to full open, and it gives you an example on the side here of what full open is. Then you can also choose level 3, level 2, and then level 1. And again, it's giving you an idea over there at what height that's going to open to. Then there's also the user height setting. So I'm going to keep it at full open right now. And once we go outside to the back, I'll show you what we can do to set our own user height. And then on the left here, we're going to make sure that the Smart Liftgate is on as well. So now that everything is turned on, we're going to head outside. And I just want to point out, we do have a button to the left of the steering column here, which has got hold on it, and that's to be able to open and close the power lift gate from the front of the vehicle. So now let's head outside and see this in action. Okay, so now that we're outside, I do have the key fob on me here, and you can still power open the lift gate with the button right here on the side of the key fob that says hold. So you can use that to open or close the lift gate. But what we're gonna do now, let's say I just came out from a grocery store and my hands are full and I happen to have the key fob in my pocket. So with the Smart Lift Gate, you would just walk up to the back of it. Once it detects that the key fob is there, it's going to start to beep and the lights are going to flash. As soon as it hits the 4th beep, then the power tailgate is just going to go ahead and open for you. Okay, now that this is open, we do have the power open and close button at the top here. So on the inside, we had set this to full open. So now what I'm going to do is just go ahead and pull it down a little bit, and then I'm going to press and hold that button until it beeps. Just like that. So now the power liftgate is now saved to that height. So the next time we go to open it, it won't go any higher than that. So if you end up parking in a garage and you've got a height limit, you don't want the liftgate to hit anything, you can set it to your own personal height. Now I'm gonna go ahead and move it back to the top. So let's say you go to adjust it again. All you have to do is just press and hold the button again until it beeps. And then it's going to save it, and then you can always override the last setting that you had, or you can change it from the infotainment screen on the inside. And that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and please consider subscribing if you're enjoying our content. Also, all of our social media links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.